walking, so I kick 3 points. Look at the lips. Ready?
Ma'am.
Step slow, kick fast.
Close.
Stand.
Let me tell you what's stopping you.
Stand.
You got to use every bit of your pounding, all whatever it is of it. And when you're getting right here, you're stepping, but then you're stopping, and then it's just your leg kicking. So you got to step in, and then keep your body moving as you kick your leg fast,
Yes, ma'am.
okay?
All in, right?
And then it'll break,
Stand.
because your kick's good.
Stand.